Welcome back to MrYouWho, and here again. Great to have you back with us today. Guys, I'm really excited today to be bringing to you the Soundcore Space Q45 Headphones. Now, I'm really excited to be reviewing these. I also did another review for the Soundcore Space A40 earbuds, which we found to be an exceptional pair of earbuds with fantastic sound quality and excellent noise cancelling. So I was really excited to be reviewing these over-ear headphones today. Now, I heard a lot of good things about these. Now, in this review, we're going to go and do an unboxing so you can actually see what comes in the box, so you can see what comes with it. We're going to go test out some of the features so you can see how it works. They're going to go test out the music, talk about the sound quality, how effective it is. They're going to go and do the noise cancelling so you can see how effective the noise cancelling is. Now, they say this is 98% blocks out noise. To be honest, it's very, very close to that. You're going to see why. They're going to go and use the app so you can show you how to go and test out different settings. And then we're going to go use this out and about the gym, walking, so you can see how effective he's using it. You see, a lot of people use these reviews and actually don't go and use them. We're going to go and show you how, when you purchase these, you can use them out and about. You're really going to go and enjoy it. Now, we do find these an exceptional pair of headphones. They're brilliant. They get 65 hours with normal mode on, battery life, 50 hours with ANC on. They only take 10 minutes to get 4 hours of charging them too, which is exceptional. The sound is excellent. The comfort's fantastic. The actual app they use for noise settings as well is really, really good. But anyway, I don't want to go on too much. I want to keep some surprises for you guys so you can see how they're good. Anchor actually sent me these Soundcore headphones as well, so thanks guys. Really appreciate it. Excited to be doing the review for you as well. If you guys want to purchase these as well, there's links in the description so you can purchase online. But you're really going to be enjoying this review. Anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know what you think of the Soundcore Q Space 45 headphones here at MrYouWho. So here we're looking at the Soundcore Space Q45 headphones. Now, as you can see, here's the box. Now, there's headphones at the front we're about to have a look at. Now, as you can see, it comes with high-res audio, adaptive noise cancelling. There's also up to 98% noise reduction, which we're going to go and test shortly. A bit more about details on the box there as well, which we'll go through shortly. But again, presentation looks really nice in the box. Very, very professional. And they feel like a good set of headphones already. So let's open up the box and have a look what comes inside. Now, there is the case. Again, lovely black case with the Soundcore logo at the front. You can also see the box there, which we'll go through again shortly. So let's go and take a look what comes in the box. So again, zipper. Now this is good. You could actually hold this off your belt if you want to. It's easy to fit into your travel bag or gym bag if you go out and about. Then we open it up. Now here's the headphones, and don't they look absolutely gorgeous? Look at this. Look at them there. So let's take them out of the box and go and have a look. And we'll come back into that in a minute. Have a bit more look at them. So they use swivel technology, which quite a lot of headphones do use. So you got left cup, right cup there as well. Now, if we have a look at them, now these do come with Bluetooth 5.3. They also come with SBC, AAC, and LDAC codecs, which is excellent. There's the cups there. Now you can use the cups to actually control the sound as well on the edges here. So you've got the up and down there for volume. You've got the obviously play and pause. These also use wired connections, which is good, so you can actually plug them into your phones or headphone sockets if you wish. There's the USB-C charging. You could turn it on and off there, and also to do the ANC. So we're going a bit more about the ANC there. The ANC on these is absolutely fantastic, so you enjoy them, but obviously we'll do that in a minute. Now these are plastic covered, but they feel really, really nice. You've got the PLU cushions here as well. Now the cushions are very, very nice. You see that? See how much give there isn't? It's lovely. They also got the charging here as well. So yeah, so you can see with the band as well. The band is very, very stiff as well, which is good. See, it doesn't actually give much. Now this is good if you've got maybe a big head. You can wear it. As you can see it just quite nicely there. Now these do feel like really, really plush headphones. They feel like a really good size as well. Now, and when you see when I actually do the testing of these as well, they fit really comfortably on the ears. They're really, really nice. And so yeah, so they're good. You can actually just fold them up too like that if you wish to use them. But the headphones do look really good, as you can see from the comfort. And there's also the logo at the front. Now they use the 3 mics on here as well, which we'll talk about soon. So we did test them out in wind noise, and they worked really, really well. And the ANC is good. Now these come with 50 hours battery life if you use them. We actually found it was easily met that as well. But obviously it depends if you use ANC on or off as well. They do come with a app as well, which we're going to show you guys shortly. But there's the headphones, and there's also the box as well. So you got the obviously the quick start guide there, how to set it up, warranty information, etc. And you do have the cable as well that you can use to charge it, and obviously the wired cable which you can use to plug into devices. But very, very nice weight headphones. They feel really good. The build quality looks absolutely excellent. They are very, very sturdy as well. You know, these are as good with some of the headphones which are more than double the cost. Very, very nice. So let's go and look at how we can actually go and set these beauties up. So how easy are the Space Q45 headphones to connect? Well, they're very, very straightforward. All you need to do is, if you can see on the headphones there, the button there to power it on. So you press that, hold that on, and they power the headphones on, and then they automatically connect to the Bluetooth. It only takes a couple of seconds, and then they connect automatically. Now the great thing is then how some other functions work. So you've got the active noise cancelling on here, which is just there. So you can hold that down, and that switches between noise cancelling, transparent sound, and also normal as well, which we'll go on to demonstrate how that works soon. Over the side here as well, you've got the volume up and the volume down here as well. So if you hold that down, it'll actually change the tracks, or if you press, it'll turn the volume up and down. You can also use this as well to go and answer calls as well. It works very, very effective, works very, very well. And the thing I like here as well is being able to have all the functions on the headphones so easily accessible, just be able to press the buttons. It works really well. They actually function quite easily, so they don't take much work to do, and they're really, really good. So we're going to go turn them on now and go start listening to some music. We're going to start by actually going testing out what this sounds like. So we'll give you guys some feedback about how good these actually sound. But you know what? You guys are going to be fantastic. These sound absolutely brilliant.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so...
Oh, sorry, I got completely lost in the music then. Listening to the Soundcore Space Q45, the music's fantastic, and I have to say it's probably among the best sounding headphones I've used. Now the thing is, they sound a lot better, or just as good as a lot of other ones at a higher price point, like the Sony, the Boses. And the thing is, they've done really well with the sound. Now the AA diaphragm sounds really good. It works very, very well. The bass is very good as well. It sounds great. And also the soundstage, again, much like the A40 with the earbuds, is very, very balanced. I don't know how they've done it, but they've managed to get some exceptional sound within these headphones. So I listened to Dance, which I was listening to just then, which you heard. The music was fantastic. It lifted me up into the sounds and brought me back down. It really felt like I was there. You know, I listened to pop, listened to a bit of rock, a bit of Guns N' Roses. Sounded really good as well. The music is fantastic. So if you want something that's got a great sound, you can really do it. Now we went into the app earlier about how you can change, we'll go into that shortly about how you can change the settings to change the sound experience. But they work really, really well. So, and the thing is, because they cut really well on the ears, like this, you can't really hear much of the sound around you, so they really close on nicely. So I'm going to go show you now. I actually use them at the gym doing weights. So as you can see here, they don't move on the ears, can't hear the music around me outside the gym. They fit quite well as well, and they feel quite good when I'm working out. So I could do workouts for a long period of time using them. The only thing is they probably do sweat for a while if you're doing workouts. So it depends on how much you sweat. As you can see running here, they worked really well running. I was fine running on a treadmill. Didn't move on my head. Again, though, I started to probably sweat a little bit from a little while. So whether you sweat or not, it depends on whether you want to use them for workouts. I probably wouldn't use these for workouts myself. I'd use them for commuting, use them for walking, using for, I mean, as you can see, I walk along the Brisbane cliffs. It's really, really nice. But the sound quality with these is exceptional. They've done a great job. And I'm really excited to have reviewed the Soundcore range as well. It's my first time I've done it. And it's exceptional sound. I've reviewed quite a lot of headphones before. So yeah, excellent sound. Really great quality. And also the thing with these is the microphone as well. 2 mics in it. The microphone works quite well. I was talking to a friend, as you could see on the bridge with the noise cancelling. It worked very effective as well. Really good sound. Next, I'm using noise cancelling here on a very, very busy road, and they can hear me really clearly. The microphone's really good, but with the active noise cancelling, I can't hear a thing on the road, and that's even listening to music. But with this call, they couldn't hear the background noise. My voice came very clear to them. The adaptive noise cancelling works very, very well, whether you're on a busy road, whether you're commuting, whether you're out and about. The sound's excellent, and be able to hear me on a busy road like this, it really is fantastic. So we're going to have a look at the Space Q45 app to see how it actually works. So here's the app just here. You can see you can select normal mode or transparency mode. So transparency mode is where you can actually hear voices around you. So if you're crossing a road, you press it, you can hear traffic moving around. You can also have a conversation, which is really good. There's a noise cancelling as well, and also in my ears I can hear a significant difference pressing the noise cancelling button. It really does block out the external noise. It really is fantastic. On here, this feature as well, it's a save volume button, so it stops the volume from getting too loud. A lot of listeners say, Andy, the volume's not loud enough for a lot of devices. Actually, it's because, guys, you've probably got hearing damage, so this works really well. You can limit high volume. You've got the controls, so you can change the controls of the headphones as well, so you can change how you use press once for ambient sound, etc. Because you use bass up on and off, I believe in using that. It's a very effective thing to use. If we go and have a look as well, so you've got the sound settings as well. So we go to the settings just there and have a look. So sound mode, now I've got LDAC on there, which gives excellent sound quality. It does use slightly more power, but you can change that if you wish. You've also got wind noise reduction, which I tested. It actually worked really, really well. You've got the prompt tone as well that you can use, auto power off too, which is really, really handy. So great volumes as well. Also, you can change the mode to whether you want adaptive noise cancelling or the custom noise cancelling, which is very, very effective. And also here's the sound effects. So you can go and choose whether you want to use your own sound. So you could use different ones. You could use jazz, for example, Latin, podcast. I also like to have the bass up as well. I like to have good, strong bass within the music I'm using. But you can also customize it if you want as well. So as you can see, you can move it up and down depending on what you want. So you customize the sound. The app's really, really good. Let's go back to default and back to dance. That's my favorite sound. But yeah, the app is very, very effective, very easy to use, and it helps give a lot better sound experience as well. So you guys jump on and use it. Wow, so what do you think about the Soundcore Space Q45 headphones? We have to admit they're among the best headphones we've reviewed, and the reason being is a number of different features. So firstly, the comfort. They sit really well on the head, they feel really, really nice, and they just support your head really well. And because of the different cups, they actually block out the noise as well. So when they sit on the ears, they sit perfectly, perfect seal, and you can't hear any outside noise. And that then goes into the sound quality as well. The bass is fantastic, the treble's lovely, the sound has great midriffs in it, and it really does sound good when you're listening to it. The guys have done a fantastic job with these, and I'd say they're up there with more expensive headphones that are maybe double or triple the price. They sound just as good, so you won't go well getting these. The noise cancelling is exceptional as well. I love the different modes as well, so it actually does the adaptive noise cancelling really well. I'd wear these, for example, on a train or walk across a road, and they adapt to the noise very, very well, so I couldn't hear anyone around me. And actually was walking around the house and people can hear what I was doing. The microphone's good. People could hear me very, very clearly. Could do conversations very easily as well. The battery life's exceptional too. 65 hours in these headphones. I mean, I could literally fly to London and back again from Australia and be able to keep on using them. They're really, really good. They've also got the LDAC mode if you want enhanced audio quality too. I love how it comes with the cord as well, so you can plug it in and actually use the sound as well. But all in all, the thing I love about these is they're a complete pair of headphones. They really do well. I wouldn't probably use them at the gym though, as you saw when I was working out, because they do get a bit hot. But for commuting use, walking around, watching TV at home, they're good. Then there's no lag when you're watching devices as well, so they're really good. And the app is excellent to use with them as well. So guys, fantastic job, fantastic value for money, and I really recommend them. So anyway, if you want to purchase these, there's links in the description below, so you can purchase them. Also check out my Space A40 earbud review, so you can see those as well. Anchor, you've done a fantastic job with the Soundcore Space Q45. Really love them. So anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.